How to sign up in Meta AI app. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we will simply open Meta AI app in a mobile phone. Once we open that, here you guys will see in some phone like your phone model is unsupported, which may limit glasses on Meta AI features, but it's for glasses feature. But we will ignore that. We will simply click on OK. Once you click on OK, here you guys will see get started with Meta AI. Set up a device. So you guys will simply click on get started with Meta AI. Once we click here you guys will wait for some seconds. Now here it say use mobile number or email address. Like basically here you need to sign up using your Facebook account. So I'll simply click on my Facebook ID. You guys will simply click on use mobile number or email address, or you guys can use your own Facebook ID. It's upon you. So simply click on continue ID. So simply click on that. Now here you guys can see username name. So in username you guys can write your username of Meta AI. Also you guys can add optional names. So after that you guys simply click on confirm. Once we click on confirm, we will wait for some seconds. Now our sign in was started. Here we go, we are signed in. So after that click on continue, and now here you guys can use Meta AI. Like you guys can generate videos, pics, etc. So that's how you guys can use Meta AI app. Thanks for watching.